Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Maypen, Mineralites roundabout to be exact. We are at the new Millennium Mall, developed by Sagicor. Alright, so this is at the Mineralites roundabout. Very big. I like the colors as well. Still not fully open, but almost there. There's some final touches. So I think a supermarket will be over there, pharmacy, bank, and other commercial businesses as well. What they did is to build a gas station across the road. So they'll be putting a gas station over there. So if you're new to the channel, guys, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. And for all the existing viewers and subscribers, definitely leave your comment. Well, first of that type I'm seeing in Jamaica. That's a real machine muscle car. So yes guys, leave your comments in terms of what you think about this shopping center, Mineralites, on the outskirts of Maypen. So it's a very big complex. Alright, so new shopping mall, Millennium Mall. Very pretty, very beautiful. I love the colors. Very big as well. Remember to like and share the video so it can reach more people. And definitely leave your comments in terms of what you think about this development here. Alright guys, definitely leave your comments, like, share, and again subscribe if you're new. Millennium Mall, Mineralites, Maypen.
Well is
Alright guys, this is where I end the video. Millennium Mall, Mineral Lights, Maypen. Let me know what you think about this development. This is a very nice one outside of Kingston. Some persons saying that they only seen development in Kingston, but here we have one in Maypen, Clarendon. Alright, so remember to share and like as well so more persons can see the video. Remember to leave your comments in terms of what you think about this property. And if you're new, subscribe. Subscribing is free. Alright, so we're now on the front. This is the popular Omar's Roti. Omar's Roti and ice cream. And we have a gas station on the front right here outside the Mineral Lights Outing Scheme. You have Regency Plaza. So this is the main road leading to the shopping mall. So this road bring it to ease, and this direction bring it to the roundabout, Mineral Lights roundabout. And then this direction is to ease. Alright, so this is the outskirts of the shopping mall, Millennium Mall. So we have a second gas station going up right here. So this is right outside of the Mineral Lights housing scheme. And the roundabout is right here. So we have the second gas station over this side. Or gas station number 1 and gas station number 2.